Let's talk about Botox. So many people don't know it's a neuromodulator, and all that does is it actually inhibits the muscle from contracting. If you have some fine lines, they might not all completely go away, but really the goal is as this muscle doesn't contract, those lines will start to soften. And so you'll get a just more youthful appearance. So a lot of people ask me, well, how does it work? How long does it last? So typically you'll start to see it kick in 2 to 3 days, but really it takes an entire 10 to 14 days to be full effect. I always tell people be patient. Some muscles are stronger than others, and so that will help that. You know, there's lots of interesting places that you can actually put Botox today. I think most people always think about the angry lines, right? So we always talk about the 11 lines that make us look angry. Those are very easy to inject, along with the forehead and the frontalis. So these two combined will give a very smooth, nice appearance to the forehead. And then you also have the crow's feet. So a lot of people with light eyes, right? They're squinting in the sun all the time. They'll tend to form a little bit more of what we call crow's feet. So we use Botox there to really soften that look, but it also gives it a little bit of an eye lift, which is kind of my favorite thing to do. The other little dreadful places we always seem to get are these little bunny lines, right? I used to think they were really cute, but as we get older and they get really deeper, you'll start to see that skin start to push. So you can inject bunny lines. You can also inject for a lip flip, which I think is very popular today. So it gives a little bit of softening of the lip lines, and it also causes the lift of that lip to give you a little bit more fullness. You can also do the depressor anguli oris muscle, which we call DAO. So you know how some people have that little downturning? So when that starts to happen, we can just put a little bit of Botox there and it just lifts the lips just enough not to look like you have a frowny face. So those are all really fun places to put it. We can also do the cobblestoning in the chin. And I think a lot of places that people don't think about, you can do masseters. For all those people that have TMJ and you can't sleep, this is a great place to actually inject. And then as we age and we start to get some sagging of our skin, you can either do what's called a Nefertiti lift, or we can treat the platysmal bands and neckline to actually soften the look of the neck and cause a little bit of a lift. So there are so many fun places you can put Botox, so I'm here to talk to you about it.